All right. I know what you're thinking. Another step-by-step video? It's been a couple weeks. I know what you're thinking. When is this step-by-step fad gonna be over? I've seen the numbers. They're going down. Less and less people are enjoying my step-by-step content. Do you think I'm blind? You think I don't know this? But here's the thing. To you, it was step-by-step was a fad. To me, it wasn't. I will never stop making step-by-step videos. This is just me now. This is just what I do now. Do you realize this? Do you realize this? I'm never going to stop. There will be a new step-by-step video every day for the rest of your life. And you're going to enjoy it.